This is Chef AI, the all-in-one AI cooking assistant. As you can see, it's already live on Google Play, so let's jump straight into it. As you can see, your fridge, your menu, zero waste. The main idea of this app is to stop the food waste. A lot of times people throw ingredients they already have in the fridge away because of decision fatigue, like they don't know how to use what they already have. Um, the recipes on the internet have a lot of ingredients that we don't have in the fridge, and we end up ordering instead of cooking what we already have and we throw it away. So this is Tiggy, our little mascot. Um, Here's a quick onboarding. We ask the user how often they throw ingredients away, often, how often they overspend at the grocery store, often. Here are some facts based on some research studies. Um, Here's the average household waste every single month. Here's the bigger picture, the average household waste on ingredients every single year. Um, these are the reason why we waste so much money on ingredients that we don't use. And here is how Chef AI can solve this problem. Um, and here we have an animation of how Chef AI works. You simply photo or tell what's in your fridge, and we will generate you a quick, awesome recipe you can use. Here are some permissions and an interactive onboarding. We explain the user what every single page of the app does. Now, here is the main part of the app, the main feature, the viral feature, the thing that you'd see on TikTok and you'll be like, wow. All right. So you can basically tell the app what ingredients you have in your fridge, and it will give you a straight, like easy to cook meal for you. Check this out. So I have some chicken breasts, some yogurt, garlic, broccoli, some onions, green pepper, um, yogurt, sour cream, banana, garlic sauce. Okay, now we click generate and it will generate a recipe based on all or some of the ingredients we mentioned. As you can see, here is the recipe, the ingredients, and instructions step by step on how to cook it. Now, we can simply click this button to save the recipe or the button to go back to the home screen. Now, let's say you don't want to record, you can photo your fridge, photo the ingredients, or you can simply type them. Now, every user can generate one recipe for free to try the app, to try the app. And the second time he will try to generate, he will hit a paywall. Like, let's say we enter some ingredients, we want to generate the second recipe. Now, we have the same animations to create the same anticipation, and here will appear a paywall. As you can see, we have two options, the yearly or the monthly. Here are some reviews for social proof. And if the user tries to exit the paywall, we simply have an offer. As you can see, Tiggy is here offering them 10-day free trial. Now, let's say we redeem the offer. Um, the recipe will continue to be generated from the point we left it, so no data is lost. As you can see, the recipe will be generated. All right, we can save this as well. Now we can either take a photo of upload from gallery, an image of the ingredients we have or of the dish we want to cook. Let's say we take a photo of our ingredients, we click take photo, we can simply full screen this. I'll take a photo of my screen as I'm not in the kitchen. All right, we click get recipe and based on the same principle, we will analyze the image and give the user a recipe he can cook with the ingredients from that image. As this is loading, I want to show you we also have the dark mode. I will come back to this later. As you can see, the recipes here, we can save it as well. So all the recipes we saved so far are here in the Save tab. Here is Tiggy. Um, we can access them offline, which is great. We can cook them. We have this button to add them to the shopping list. We basically add all the ingredients from the recipe to the shopping list. As you can see, here is the interactive shopping list where we can either add some ingredients that we want to have or simply as we purchase the ingredients from the list, we can remove them, we can clear the checked ones, or we can empty the list. Awesome. So no more wasted money when we go groceries. Great. Here are the recipes as well. Now here's the cookbook part. As you can see, Tiggy was there with the cookbook. Here are basically all the recipes in the world. So let's say we search for, I don't know, for a recipe for tamales, and this will generate in seconds every single recipe in the world, basically. As you can see, here are the step-by-step instructions. We can save this as well. Here's the YouTube part. You basically can paste a link of YouTube Shorts, and it will generate a recipe based on that. And here is the AI meal plan generation. You basically answer some questions. What is your budget? How many persons? If you have any dietary preferences, how long you want to cook. And you can enter here some must-have ingredients, or you can leave it empty. And based on your responses, it will generate a full shopping list with prices, all the ingredients you want, and the price for the entire meal. As you can see, 2 servings, shrimps, the instructions, some tips. We can simply save the recipe. As I mentioned, all the saved recipes are here. Okay. Um, Another cool feature we have, let's say, as I mentioned, we on YouTube or we on Google or whatever, and we can now share the video and using our app, we will extract the entire recipe from the video, the all the ingredients, so it's much easier for the user to cook what's in the video. As you can see, step-by-step instructions, we can save it real quick. Okay, as you can see, the saved recipes are here. Now, let's say we are watching TikTok or some Reels. We simply open it, click the share button, and basically same principle. We can either copy and paste the link or share the video with the app. Now, this will extract the exact recipe from the short. Okay, you can save this as well. Here are the saved recipes. And another cool feature I want to show you, let's say we're on Google, we see an image that we like, or on Pinterest. Okay, we can simply as well share it with our app, and it will analyze the image, and if there are ingredients, it will generate the recipe using those ingredients, or if it's an already made dish, it will explain us step by step how to cook it. All right. Um, Here's the dark mode. You can see same app on dark mode. Diggy is there always to help us in saving money. Um, and basically this is the app. Now, one more cool thing I want to show you. I posted the app on Google Play like 10 days ago, and as you can see, we already have a trial, um, which is extremely exciting for me, you know. Like, uh, as you can see, trial from Czechia, awesome. Thank you very much for watching.